Hello, welcome to Gar Weekly. Today we're going to be making some grilled cheese sandwiches. And then I'm going to show you a little video of Bailey. So, well, what do people call it? Epic mealtime? It's not really epic, but it's good enough for me. Now, what you got here, you got your bread. See? Wheat bread. I prefer white bread, but this is all we have. And this is for 2 sandwiches, because I'm hungry. Then you got your shredded cheese. That's the best way to make a grilled cheese sandwich, with shredded cheese. Not sliced, that's gross. You got your knife, you got your spatula. You got brownies. You can't eat those, but I can. And of course you got your pan. Then you turn it on to a fairly high rating. And then I have to set the camera down and spread the butter. Okay, good. Now we're done spreading the butter. See? Nice and spread. And now you gotta get some butter and you put it on the pan. And what you gotta do now is you gotta wait a long time. So now you add your first piece of bread. Maybe turn up the temperature a little. And then of course you add the second piece of bread. Kinda more to the middle of the pan, because that's gonna be the warmest place. And then you set the camera down so you can put the cheese on. Now that we're done putting the cheese on, now we wait for the cheese to melt. This could take a while, so fast forwarding. Now that the cheese on the bread is starting to melt, now you place your other bread on top. And you make sure that the 2 sandwiches aren't merged into one. Yeah, okay, maybe it is. So now you gotta go get your plate. And take your sandwich. Put it there. Take that sandwich. And you put it there. Now you have a delicious 2 sandwiches to eat. And now that you have your delicious sandwich all cooled down for you, this is the part where Well, I think that's about it for this week. Next week, I'm gonna be opening some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Some of you may not find that very exciting, but hopefully some of you enjoy it. And that'll probably be later in the week. So, talk to you then. Bye.